Welcome to this geometry lesson. Today, we are going to explore the area of a triangle. Specifically, we will understand why the formula is 1/2 times base times height by looking at its connection to a parallelogram. Before we calculate, we must identify the key parts. The base, labeled B, is the bottom side the triangle sits on. The height, labeled H, is the straight line distance from the base to the top point. Crucially, the height always forms a 90-degree angle with the base. Here is the formula you need to remember. Area equals 1/2 multiplied by the base multiplied by the height. It is often written as 1/2 BH, but where does that 1/2 come from? Let us find out. To understand the triangle, we first look at a parallelogram. A parallelogram is a four-sided shape with parallel opposite sides. The area of a parallelogram is simply the base multiplied by the height. Now, imagine drawing a diagonal line from one corner of the parallelogram to the opposite corner. This single cut splits the shape into two separate pieces. If we separate these pieces, we can see that we have created two identical triangles. This is the key insight. Two copies of the same triangle fit together perfectly to create one single parallelogram. Since the area of the whole parallelogram is base times height, and it is made of two identical triangles, then the area of just one triangle must be exactly half of that. That is why the formula is 1/2 base times height. Let us try an example. Here is a triangle with a base of 12 centimeters and a height of 8 centimeters. We multiply 12 by 8 to get 96. Then, we take half of that. The final area is 48 square centimeters. This rule works for all triangles, even obtuse ones where the top leans far to one side. Here, the base is 6 and the height is 10. 6 times 10 is 60. Half of 60 gives us an area of 30 square units. To wrap up, remember that the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. This works because every triangle is mathematically half of a parallelogram with the same base and height. Just ensure your height is always perpendicular to the base.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.